Hi, this is Ed from the Cozy Cabin. Thanks for joining us today. We got a lot of customers calling in asking, how do I clean the glass on my wood stove? Well, today we're going to go over a few tips on how to clean glass on your wood stove. First and foremost, every manufacturer, highly in bold print, says do not use a product like Windex. Why, you may ask? Because it contains ammonia. Ammonia will break down the IR coating that is on our wood burning products. So this is a product that we do not want to use for this project. What is recommended is the stove and hearth cleaner. This contains no ammonia. This works extremely well on cleaning the glass on a wood stove. So step one would be to open your door on a cool stove that's cool to the touch. Go ahead and spray your glass down. Just leave it for 60 seconds. Let the product do its job on deteriorating the soot that's on that glass. You can already see the soot running down that glass as it's deteriorating and breaking down. Now that we've let this set here for 60 or so seconds, now we can go ahead and wipe that glass off. A couple different options. You can either use newspaper or a brown paper towel. Works a lot better than your traditional white paper towels that contain a little oil. So my preference are these brown paper towels. Again, we'll just wipe that glass off. You can see the soot coming off very easily. Just like that, we have nice clean glass. And we're ready to start our fire. So after wiping your glass off with a brown paper towel, what you may want to do if there's a slight film or something that's not quite perfect, you may just want to take a cloth that's slightly damp and just kind of give it a quick wipe to kind of polish that glass up to make it perfect. So just literally a 30-second wipe really makes that glass perfectly spotless. Thank you very much for joining us today at the Cozy Cabin Stove and Fireplace Shop. Please hit the subscribe button on the bottom of your screen. Have a wonderful day.